welcome back. Last episode, we were taking a load from Vegas to Los Angeles. We delivered that one, and then we got dispatched on another one headed from Los Angeles to Reno. Let's go. Okay, so we delivered that Reno load, and then after the Reno load, we got dispatched on another one headed from Reno all the way to Lebanon, Tennessee, which is Nashville, Tennessee, basically. So that's a fantastic load, 2,100 miles, over 3 days of driving, mostly the 80. That's a good load. Let's do it. Alright, so I delivered that load today actually in Lebanon, Tennessee, and then I got dispatched on another one going to Munster, Indiana, which is basically Chicago. But got a loose skirt. I think I can fix it though. I just gotta undo those bolts right there and then put it back on up here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so they're rusted on there, and I can't get them off. Yeah, this thing's done a lot of time in the South, so I'm gonna have to take it in. I did limp it to Love's, so yeah, we're just gonna have to take it in to get it fixed because it's flopping around too much. But it doesn't matter as far as this video goes because, yeah, that Tennessee load was actually the last load. So, yeah, I'll get this fixed and then we'll head to Munster. But in the meantime, let's get into the spreadsheet right now. Okay, it's spreadsheet time. For this week, we did 3 loads. And in those 3 loads, we got 3,157 miles. And we were paid a total of $1,515 at 48 cents per mile. That brings our overall to 46,452 miles since starting with night, and we've been paid $24,817 at an average of 53 cents per mile. This 53 cents per mile does include things like layover and detention. We're averaging 2,212 miles per week and being paid an average of $1,181 at the same rate per mile. If we were to keep this up for a 52-week period, we would get 115,000 miles and be paid a total of $61,453, again at the same rate per mile. This 53 cents here includes things like layover and detention. If we minus layover and detention, we'd be getting paid 49 cents per mile. And all of this is gross pay. Days of employment, we've been employed 163 days. We've taken 12 days off. This does not include the 30 days I took off to play in the World Series of Poker. If I were to put that in there, it would completely skew this entire sheet, and I wasn't planning on coming back as a company driver after that, so I'm not counting that in for those who were just tuning in. But I did take like an extra 30 days off. I'm just not counting it because it would skew everything. We've had 27 days of layover, which is a ton, and we've had 10 hours of detention. Between layover and detention, we've been paid $2,076 and that is so much right there. That's why this average mileage right here is pretty low. It's because just all the layover and detention. Yeah, that's just a ton right there. If I wasn't getting so much layover, this would be a lot higher. My average would be a lot higher, and so would my overall, by the way. We've been on duty 151 days, and for those 151 days, we were paid an average of $164. So we've been driving 124 days. So of this 163 days right here, we've spent 124 driving, and in those driving days, we make an average of $200. Average load length is 603 miles, and we get an average of 375 miles every day we're on the road, actually driving. Okay, yeah, there you have it. Good week. It's actually my best week so far. That was a awesome load. And if you look at things, they're starting to pick up. This was a 2-week period, so that one was more like 2,000 miles average. But yeah, 2,400 miles, 3,100 miles. This was again in 2-week periods, about 2,000. Bad week there. But yeah, things are picking up, and I've been noticing my average is kind of slowly going up. I'm still getting hit with a lot of layover. You know, the market is very bad right now, and there's just a lot of layover coming. Not much I can do about it. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, I mentioned this 2,200 miles here. Not much I can really do about that. I mean, when I'm hitting 27 days of layover, that's just a ton. That is a ton of layover, and it's affecting my overall. So by the way, this overall here does include things like layover. It also includes home time, but you know, the layover is really what's killing my average weekly here, and there's not much I can do about it. But no update on the lease. I'll probably contact the coordinator next week, and I'm hoping to be on the road in a lease sometimes in early August. So I'll keep you posted on that. But that will do it for this episode. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in truck driving, I'll leave a link in the comment section below and in the About section, and just hit that link, and a driver recruiter will get a hold of you. Thanks for watching.